Hello and welcome back to a new series on my channel. Now, I was hoping to do some Pokemon today, but I wasn't able to. I am so sorry. I really wanted to get a Pokemon Pearl episode up, but couldn't find it. So, I went on mobile, and then I found a game I used to love to play. And basically when I was in tech, I don't care. Basically, when I was tech class, basically when I was in tech class, I used to love this game in tech. So let's get straight into it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, do you appreciate? Now, my cousin, I can't remember who. Someone asked me, why do I do kitty stuff on my channel? That's because my age demographic I'm going for is a younger age demographic. That's why you see me posting Pokemon, doing all this cartoon stuff. So ooh, if y'all guys want me to play the first one, I will play the first one. Epic fail.
So on weeps your game.
Mission. Pick up 25 coins. Do 5 loops. How do you do a loop? How do you do a loop? How do you? Oh, I wasn't able to do 5 loops. Okay. 42 coins. 42.8. Who cares? I gained some coins. Ooh, egg news or house? News or house? Let's go to HR. Let's go to news. Hey there, check the latest news on the floods. It will open up a webpage. Are you okay with it? No, I'm not, sir. I'm here to play. This is the Flight Club. Dodo. Why, Dodo? Why? To Facebook, so what? Oh, okay. That's just roughly wasting a lot of time. I have my recording right there. Chat. Let's do this one real quick, and I'll end the episode there. 1. Come on, at least do 1. No. I guess 30 coins. And I'll just end the episode there. Yes, I know it's extremely short. I'm probably going to do this like my Minecraft series. And if you want to just go and check that out. I have it in a playlist that'll be coming soon. I'll open this up. Hold on. A free 132 coins. There, that's how we like it. And I'll see y'all guys later. Oh, we have like 24 seconds left before we go. I'm gonna have a new series by Yu-Gi-Oh! I'm gonna have a new series coming up pretty soon. So I hope y'all enjoy.